Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing a tie rod on the 350Z. As you can see, it's broken. But be sure to stick around till the end of the video because I'm also going to be adjusting the toe, which is a very exhausting process. And then also, before we jump into the video, I would like to ask you guys to go ahead and please subscribe. Also leave a like. It massively helps out smaller channels like me on YouTube. So here we go. So all you're going to need for the tools is 7/8, a 19 mil, and an adjustable wrench. It's a pretty simple process. So here is the broken tie rod. And the thing about FDF kits is they use the same tie rod body across all of their kits, whether it's a 350Z or a Corvette. So if you ever break one, you just go on their website and buy a tie rod body. It's 30 bucks. It's a very good system. You're not replacing the whole tie rod. So you just want to break the locking nuts loose and then go ahead and spin the tie rod off. You're also going to do that for the other side. As you can see, this is the new tie rod. It's a little bit of a different design. It's a little bit thicker. So the reason why my tie rod ended up breaking is because I didn't adjust my steer stops properly, or I think they're also called bump stops. And the car went to full lock, and I just let it go to full lock very fast, and the wheel ended up making contact with the tie rod, and that's what actually ended up snapping it. So it's not the angle kit's fault, it's my fault. I should have adjusted the bump stop properly. As you can see, I had to go inside the car and turn the steering wheel to pull the steering rack in a little bit to give me more room. Okay, once you have lined it up, you're just going to want to spin the tie rod and make sure you have the correct side on the tie rod on the correct side of the angle kit or the steering rack, because they are, one side is reverse thread, and you just spin it on and it's going to pull the heim joints together, and then that is basically it. And then I'm not going to tighten everything up right now because I have to adjust the toe. Alright guys, so we have this side completely done, and I'm also going to end up replacing the other side too, just because I bought two new ones and I'm going to use my old one as a spare, but I'm not going to show you guys that on camera because I already did one side. So that is what the old one looks like, and that's going to get replaced with the new one. And now we are going to be adjusting the toe. And for the toe adjustment section, I actually just decided to let the raw footage roll with my girlfriend filming me. I'm not really going to do any voiceover. I'm going to just do some explanation because I figured that would be the best way to show you guys how to actually do toe and what I actually have to do and what the measurements are. So I'm going to let that footage roll, and here we go. Come on this side. Okay, come here.
What?
Film each number. Get close to my hand, film each number. Okay, come to this side now. So as you can see, going by the difference between the measurement of the front of the toe plate versus the back, I have a little over a 1/4 inch toe in. So now I'm going to have to take the toe plates off jump into the car, turn the wheels to full lock, so that way I can actually turn the tie rods to make adjustments on both sides.
What?
Film this?
Your big head is in the way.
Now we have to go to the other side now. Now I'm gonna have to go to full lock the other way. Get back up.
Like closer?
Yeah, go closer. Okay. Now I'm gonna move the car back and forth. So this is the final measurement that I actually put on camera, but I wasn't done adjusting the toe. I had to go back and make further corrections. I think I had to do this process 2 times over again, but I didn't film it because it would have just been way too much for the video. But anyways, you guys get the idea of how long the process is. So I want to thank everyone for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. Also leave a like, and please click on the video that's on screen right now. And thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys later.